I'm Evelyn. This is our new podcast room. We've moved it from the old podcast room, and we now have a brand new interface with 4 channels, multiple mics, a ring light for lighting, and a camera for filming.
Hello, I'm Max, and I'm going to introduce the media studio a little bit. So this is the new studio with our new cameras, the Sony FX3. The big upgrade about the studio this time is the lights. These are our studio lights. We've got studio lights here, panel lights here, and they enable the whole studio to become fully lit. The way this room is black now, just imagine that, but with light. All right, we've got the space here and the technology with the lighting system. 2 panels on, as you can see.
So this is our new music recording studio. We have industry standard equipment here for all the students to use. It's currently a work in progress as it hasn't been finished being built. But when it is, students will be able to record music using professional grade equipment and have the ability to learn about how music is recorded, mixed, produced, and then mastered.